What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today we've got a 2015 Nissan Altima in the shop. Finally installed the headlights for this bad boy where we did an MH1 projector retrofit on it. Also did the Diode Dynamics switchback halos on this thing, so they are super bright and super wonderful and beautiful. As well as running the stock halogen high beams on this thing, but that bad boy right there is a ByThirteen assembly, so we also have the HID high beam running the profile switchback bulbs down below, and I shall show you that in action right now. So we've got the halos activated right now. They are just on the running light circuit. So as you can see, we've got a nice pure white right there, as well as the matching pure white there, because it is all LED equipment. And as mentioned previously, they are all switchback products. So as you can see, the halo does a nice, beautiful, bright switchback, bringing a turn signal up into the headlight housing, as well as the down below where the stock blinker resides. And now I have turned on the headlights, which of course the camera isn't going to pick up anything, but they are super bright and a significant improvement over the stock halogen projector assembly. So these things are going to give fantastic nighttime performance and reliability. Hooray! That's all I have to say about this. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks so much for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day. See ya!